Guys, welcome to my channel Shimmers and Polishes. If you're visiting my channel for the first time, welcome back. And I create eye makeup, nail art, DIY and crocheting videos. So welcome to Shimmers and Polishes once again, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it for notification. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create this easy taupe blue eye makeup look, perfect for any occasion. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching. To begin with, I'm going to prime my lids with LA Girls concealer in the shade medium beige, and I'm going to blend that all well and set it with some translucent setting powder by Colourpop. For this eye makeup look, I'll be using Morphe's 35H Hotspot palette, and I'm going to use the color called Off the Grid as my transition shade, and I'm going to blend that all well. Next, I'm going to use a Morphe's 35B Color Burst palette in the color called Frosty. It's a beautiful taupey brown shade, and I'm going to apply that with my fingers first all over my lid. So you can see me looking at the camera again and again because I've changed the position of the camera. I'm trying different ways of filming right now. So next, I'm taking a flat shader brush and I'm going to apply the same shade all over my lid. You can take your time, you can use any colors of your choice, not the same. I'm going to use the same fluffy blending brush and I'm going to blend that edges well so that it looks all well and seamless. Next, I'm going to use Maybelline's Colossal Kajal in Turquoise, and I'm going to draw a rough liner. I'm going to apply some eyeshadow over it. I just wanted a beautiful blue. Next, I'm going to use this color called Deep Dive from the Color Burst palette, and I'm going to apply that over my liner to get that beautiful blue with not much color, but it just looks blue. I don't want that bright blue color. Next, I'm going to use Sugar's Brow Definer in the shade Cherry Brown, and I'm going to fill in the sparse areas of my brows. I'm going to use LA Girls concealer in medium beige to cover my under eye dark circles, and I'm going to blend that well with a brush, and then I'm going to set that all in place with some translucent powder by Colourpop once again. I'm going to use Maybelline Gigi Hadid's Kohl liner on my upper waterline, and for my lower waterline I'm going to use the same turquoise shade by Maybelline, and I'm going to apply that Deep Dive shade from the Color Burst palette on my lower waterline. I'm going to smoke that out well. It's a beautiful pop of blue. I'm going to use the Balms Mary Luminizer as my under the brow bone highlight and my inner corner highlight as well. I'm going to curl my lashes and I'm going to apply some mascara. You can add falsies if you would like to. It's a very easy eye makeup look, you guys. You can create this eye makeup look within maybe 5 minutes or 10 minutes max. So I hope you enjoy watching such small videos and easy videos. And here you go. This is the final look, you guys. Very easy taupey blue eye makeup look, perfect for any occasion. I always say that you can create this makeup look, or if you're just going out and you want some eyeshadow, you can create this eye makeup look, you guys. I hope you enjoy watching this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel Shimmers and Polishes, and follow me on Instagram as well, guys, and show some love by subscribing to my channel. And please go and visit my channel and watch my other eye makeup videos. They are very easy and short videos, less than 5 minutes. You can watch that in a jiffy actually. So show some love, and I love you all, guys. You take care. Bye.